Hi everyone, welcome to the pie shop here in Beverly Hills. So today I want to show you how to make a banana split cream pie. So we've set it on the scale and it weighs 2.5 pounds. Now we want to decide how many bananas we need. So if we're making a banana split, my chart over here says 0.56 pounds of bananas. We also have 0.56 pounds of crushed pineapple that will go on after that. So I'm going to peel the banana, and now we're going to slice the bananas up. And I have the scale at 2.50, so I need to go to just over 3 pounds, or I can tear the scale and go for 0.56 pounds. And I want to push some of these bananas directly into the pastry cream. So I'm at 2.94. I'm going to peel one more banana. I'll probably use about half of it. So if the pie started at 2.5 pounds, and my chart over here is asking for 0.56, that means this needs to weigh 3.06. So perfect, 3.06. So it was about 2.5 bananas. Sometimes your bananas are big, sometimes they're small. That's why we weigh. Now you can see that I'm pushing in probably about 70% of these bananas. And the slice is thick enough where I can actually grab a hold of it and shove it in with my thumb. I'm doing this so that when the customer is slicing up this pie and dragging their knife across the top of this pie, that the bananas don't all slide out. Another reason is it keeps them fresher longer. So this is helping the pastry cream to be flavored like banana. It's helping the banana to be preserved from oxygen and from turning brown too soon. Okay, so we're at 3.06. I'm going to tear the scale. And now I'm going to refer to my chart again. And I've got to put in 0.56 crushed pineapple over the top of this banana cream pie. So it's over here in my topping bar. I tear the scale to 0. And that's 0.23, 0.48, a little bit more. 0.59, that's good enough. So that took about 3 scoops. Now this crushed pineapple, we thicken it with a little bit of starch. And I'm going to spread this over top of the bananas. And you know the acid in this crushed pineapple is also going to help to preserve the bananas from turning brown too soon. And I like to make sure that I spread the pineapple and the bananas all the way out to the edge of the crust so that this pie is good to the last bite. So I've got the scale back to 0. And I'm going to pipe on a 1/2 pound of whipped cream. Let's see if I can do it without going over. I want to go all the way to the edge, and I want to get half of the crust covered and half of the pastry cream. Make sure that all of the pastry cream is covered. Well, all of the pastry cream is covered because it's got bananas and pineapple on it. Now I have to put on the walnuts. 0.10 pounds of walnuts. And they should be in my topping bar over here somewhere. Set it back to 0, and I'm going to go to 0.10. And again, I'm going to the edge so that everything is nice and even and consistent. 0.10. So you can see that the walnuts are nice, evenly spaced over the entire pie. Now we want to drizzle it with chocolate. Okay, so now our chocolate is tempered. It's at the right temperature. And we have a spoon that has a pointy tip. So I want the thinnest possible stream of chocolate that I can find. And I'm going to try to go for 0.08 pounds of this melted semi-sweet chocolate. I'm going to turn my pie and I'm going to go the other way. Okay, that's about right. So these are all natural maraschino cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Voila, perfect. I am going to be teaching a class on how to make the pastry cream in your own home. You want to make 2 or 3 pies at a time. You can use this good homemade recipe. It has not changed over the years. Go to the link below and I'll put you on the email newsletter and let you know when those classes are coming. And I'm going to be showing you how to make pastry cream and many other things too. If you haven't already seen the other videos where I've showed you how to make our pastry crust, our very tender flaky pastry crust, I do that in my home kitchen. And I also show you in another video how to make a great homemade apple pie. Hey you guys, so did you like this video today? Give me a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with a friend. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Okay, bye-bye.